some good news. Wanted to talk about, I know I've kind of mentioned a little bit of some stuff about our engine. This version is an engine that we got a lot of our parts from a good friend of ours, Billy, over at Go For Broke Racing. And we assembled this engine here in-house. Originally was supposed to be kind of a high 8-second car. No intentions of really taking on the full racing gamut like it has. And we were using it to kind of test a few things. So really the only thing about this engine that's been modified is the stroker kit. It's a 426. Heads are stock, main caps are stock. Valve train has springs in it, of course, push rods, all that other stuff, but everything else is pretty much stock. If you take a look at this, not even ported heads. They're untouched. It's a virgin as a set of heads can get. And if you see over here, we didn't even have any rocker reinforcements or anything. Car's fastest time was pretty consistent. Ran it a few times. 8.1, 8.12 at 165 plus mile an hour. So what we're doing now is not necessarily tearing it down because we have a problem. We don't have a problem with it at all. I just felt like I was on borrowed time with how fast she was running. Not having these are okay for kind of some mild street driving like its original intention, but man, this car has far exceeded my expectations. So now what we're doing is getting an engine, an entirely new engine that's going to have all of the necessary upgrades. So we're going to send the heads out, they're going to get ported, we're going to send the block's going to come in, it's going to be filled, all that other stuff that is necessary. Billet mains, an actual billet crank that's going to be good for 2,000 horsepower. It's going to have everything that we need to do this consistently without worry. So every time I would do a pass, it was like, please Lord, baby Jesus, stay together. Please Lord, baby Jesus, stay together. Because it wasn't supposed to do this. It's not supposed to run this time. So we took the fastest demon, no joke, by accident. So here's us tearing this engine down. We'll take a look at it, see how it held up, and see the testament of 1, Z's tuning, and 2, us being able to put an engine together and a full car together to go down the track and take records.